Dear students, welcome to Girija e-tutorial. In this video, I am going to publishing entrepreneurship development subject syllabus and important short answer and long answer questions. Let us see the syllabus and questions. The topics in Unit 1, entrepreneurship, its definitions, types of entrepreneurs, characteristics of an entrepreneur, role of entrepreneurship, ethics and social responsibilities of entrepreneurs, women entrepreneurship, role and importance of women entrepreneurs, and problem of women entrepreneurs. These are the topics in first unit. The important short answer questions in the first unit are: question 1, define entrepreneur. Question 2, who is an entrepreneur? Question 3, who is an innovating entrepreneur? Question 4, who is an adaptive or imitative entrepreneur? Question 5, who is a Fabian entrepreneur? Question 6, who is drone entrepreneur? Question 7, define woman entrepreneurship. Question 8, does an entrepreneur have to be a business owner? Question 9, outline the causes of entrepreneurial failures. Question 10, what are usually the personal considerations that drive a person to be an entrepreneur? Question 11, explain entrepreneurial ethics. These are the short answer questions. Unit 1 long answer questions. Explain the factors affecting entrepreneurial growth. Question 2, discuss the types of entrepreneurs. Question 3, entrepreneur is the catalyst in the process of economic development. In the light of this statement, explain the role of entrepreneurship in the economic growth of a country. Question number 4, explain the major motives influencing an entrepreneur. Question 5, what is entrepreneurship development program? Explain the needs and objectives of entrepreneurship development program. Question 6, explain the factors affecting entrepreneurial growth. Question 7, describe the significance in economic growth by imparting entrepreneurship in the young minds in the Indian context. Question number 8, discuss the qualities of an entrepreneur. Question number 9, discuss the characteristics of an entrepreneur. Question number 10, discuss the role and functions of an entrepreneur. Question number 11, define women entrepreneurship. Explain the various problems faced by women entrepreneurs. Question number 12, what are the various functions performed by women entrepreneurs? Question number 13, what are the recent trends in the development of women entrepreneurship in India? Question number 14, explain how to become a successful entrepreneur and what are the functions of an entrepreneur. Question number 15, are entrepreneurs born or made? Explain along with the qualities of a successful entrepreneur. Question number 16, explain the social responsibilities of an entrepreneur. These are the long answer questions in first unit. Second unit topics, creativity and entrepreneurship, sources of creative ideas, planning and development of programs, e-business. Short answer questions in second unit. What is innovation? How it is different from invention? What are the barriers of innovation? Third one, list out the sources of creative ideas. Fourth one, what is e-business? Fifth one, what is business to business? Sixth one, what is business to consumer? Seventh question, what are the stages in planning of entrepreneurial programs. Eighth one, list out different entrepreneurial development programs. Ninth question, what is meant by business idea? 10th question, what is focus group? 11th one, what is brainstorming? 12th one, define role playing. 13th one, what is socializing? 14th one, what do you mean by synaptics? 15th one, what is visualizing? Long answer questions. Discuss the steps involved in setting up a business with suitable examples. What are the sources of business ideas? What are the steps in identifying business opportunities? Question number 4. What do you mean by innovation? What are its characteristics? Question number 5. What factors are considered in choosing a new idea? Question number 6. Discuss in detail about electronic business. Question number 7. Critically evaluate the e-business with advantages and disadvantages. Question number 8. Discuss in detail about business to business process. Question number 9. Discuss in detail about business to consumer process. Unit 3 topics: small and micro enterprises, definitions, importance of micro, small and medium enterprises, government policies and support to MSMEs, growth strategies of small firms, secrets in small business, causes and remedies. Short answer questions. What is SME? Define small scale industries. Define industrial sickness. Write signals of industrial sickness. Brief the two causes of industrial sickness. What are the symptoms of industrial sickness? What are the stages of growth? List the types of growth strategies. What are the three forms of expansion? What is the difference between expansion and diversification? Long answer questions. Discuss the classification and characteristics of small business. What are the financial risks faced by small business? Discuss the reason for bankruptcy and remedial actions against them. Illustrate the causes and consequences of sickness in small business. Discuss the growth strategies followed in small firms. Discuss the ownership structure of a small business. Describe the government policy for small scale enterprises to support the entrepreneurs. Explain the threats of small industries and remedial measures to overcome that. Identify the problems faced by small enterprises. What are the functional risks faced by small business? Discuss the reason for bankruptcy and remedial actions against them. Write any 4 internal causes of industrial sickness. What are the causes of slow growth of industrial entrepreneurship in India? What are the important government policies? State the growth strategies in small industry. Enumerate the Government of India policy for small scale enterprises with examples. Describe the government policy for small scale enterprises to support the entrepreneur. Illustrate the cause and consequences of sickness in small business. Suggest measures to overcome such sickness. Topics of 14. Institutional support to entrepreneurs. Role of government. Role of IDBI and DIC. Financial institutions. Commercial banks. Entrepreneurial development program. Short answer questions in 4PV. What do you mean by institutional support to small enterprises? What are the sources of finance? What do you mean by commercial banks? What is DIC? List out different commercial banks. What is the need of institutional support to small enterprises. List out the central level institutions which support small scale industries. What is the need of entrepreneurial development programs? What are the objectives of entrepreneurial development programs? Define EDP. What are the objectives of EDPs? These are the short answer questions in 4th unit. Long answer questions in 4th unit. Question 1. Discuss the sources of finance for an entrepreneur. Also provide the strategies for the suitable capital structure for a calculated risk business. Question number 2. Discuss the role of government to support entrepreneurs. Question number 3. What is the role of IDBI? Question number 4. Explain about SIDO. Explain about SIDO. Question number 5. Discuss the role of DICs. Question number 6. Discuss about sources of finance and forms of credit. Question number 7. Elaborate the various sources of funding available for entrepreneurs in automobile sector in India. Question number 8. What is the role of financial institutions to support entrepreneurs? Discuss different entrepreneurial development programs. What is the importance of entrepreneurship development? What are the different phases of EDPs? Describe the role of financial institutions in the entrepreneurial development. Question number 13. Discuss the major problems faced in conducting EDP. Question number 14. What is entrepreneurial development? Explain the role and relevance of EDPs. 5th unit topics: planning and evaluation of projects, growth of the firm, project identification and selection, preparation of project plans, project feasibility study. Short answer questions in 5th unit. What is project feasibility study? What is project design and network analysis? Explain about input analysis. What is cost benefit analysis? Define the term project. Write a note on feasibility study. What is feasibility report? What is techno-economic feasibility? Long answer questions in 5th unit. What is project idea? What are the sources of project ideas? Discuss the steps in project identification. How can you screen the project ideas? Explain the methodology for project identification. Explain the stages in project formulation. Discuss the components of feasibility study. Explain the format of feasibility report. How to prepare preliminary project reports. What are the significance of project formulation? What are the elements of project formulation? What do you mean by feasibility study? Describe the salient features of feasibility report. Outline the steps involved in preparing a project feasibility report. Explain the difference between pre-feasibility study and feasibility study. What are the various sources of project identification? What are the various tools of project identification? What are the various opportunities classified by Peter Drucker? Explain with the help of examples. Unit 6 topics: preparation of business plan, analysis of the business opportunity, SWOT analysis, risk analysis, description of venture products or services, size of business, background of entrepreneurs, vision, mission statements. Short answer questions in 6th unit. What is business opportunity? What is the purpose of business opportunity analysis? What is SWOT analysis? Discuss about risk analysis. What do you mean of venture products? List out the factors determining the size of business. What is vision? What is mission? Differentiate vision and mission statements. What is business opportunity? What factors do you consider while analyzing business opportunity? What are the steps involved in business opportunity analysis? Long answer questions in 16A. Question 1. When companies do prefer joint ventures? Question number 2. Discuss the components of project report. Question number 3. How can you analyze the business opportunity? Question number 4. Discuss the importance of feasibility analysis and preparation of project reports with a suitable case study. Question number 5. Take an entrepreneurial organization and do the SWOT analysis. Question number 6. What factors do you consider while doing risk analysis? Question number 7. Write a description of venture products and services. Question number 8. Explain the process of business opportunity analysis. Question number 9. What factors do you consider while writing vision or mission statements of an enterprise? Describe the background of any entrepreneur who inspired you. Guys, thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.